what's up? This is Jay. I'm doing a business update on Baskin Robbins over here. Pretty cool. So at Baskin Robbins, they're doing this glazed turkey cake. Obviously, it's ice cream. Pretty cool stuff. So they got one over here that they just made it. It's not bad price, $36.99 for all that glazed ice cream. They also got this neat hot cocoa thing here. Yeah, hot cocoa medium cake serves 8 to 12. It's not bad, $26.99. But yeah, I just want to show you some really cool cakes over here at Baskin Robbins that they got. So if you're gonna come out for a birthday or whatever, come out and get some good stuff. So check that out. So anyway, I just want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and hope everyone is safe out there today. And when you get this video, having a safe Thanksgiving. Oh, look at that. That's cool too. Yeah. Nice. Some cool cakes for Christmas time. Alright, happy Thanksgiving out there. Later.